Are you ready for a phone that feels like it has been pulled straight from a science fiction movie? Because in early 2026, Samsung is set to release a device that will completely redefine what a smartphone can be. I'm talking about the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. And trust me, this isn't just another yearly update. It's a full-blown revolution in your pocket. Forget everything you thought was cutting edge, because the future is coming, and it's spectacular. Let's start with the design. Imagine holding a device that feels both incredibly futuristic and impossibly sleek. The S26 Ultra is rumored to feature gorgeous, satin-finished titanium edges, making it stronger yet lighter. Samsung is shaving off even more millimeters, creating an even slimmer frame that feels incredible in your hand. But the real star of the show is the display. We're looking at a massive, nearly bezel-less, 6.9-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X screen. This isn't just big, it's brilliant. With a QHD resolution, a peak brightness rumored to hit an insane 2000 nits, and an ultra-smooth 144 Hz refresh rate, this will be Samsung's brightest, smoothest, and most immersive screen ever created. Whether you're gaming on the go or watching your favorite movies, the visuals will be absolutely breathtaking. Now, let's talk about what's under the hood, because this is where the real magic happens. The S26 Ultra will be powered by the next-generation Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 for Galaxy chipset. Built on a groundbreaking 3nm process, this chip isn't just about raw speed, it's about intelligence. Paired with the new Galaxy Neural Machine, this phone will literally learn from you. It will anticipate your needs, intelligently boost performance when you're in an intense gaming session, and cleverly manage power to extend battery life. It's not just a processor, it's a co-pilot for your digital life, making everything you do faster, smoother, and more efficient. And what about that battery life? We all know that's a major pain point. Well, Samsung is tackling it head-on. The S26 Ultra is expected to house a massive 5500 mAh battery. That's enough power to get even the most demanding users through a full day and then some. But what's even more impressive is the charging speed. We're talking 65-watt wired charging that can take you from 0 to a full charge in under 25 minutes. Yes, you heard that right, under 25 minutes. Plus, with 30-watt wireless charging, you can top up quickly without ever plugging in a cable. The days of battery anxiety are officially over. Of course, it wouldn't be an Ultra without a game-changing camera system, and the S26 Ultra is set to blow us all away. The rumors point to a revolutionary quad camera setup. It starts with a jaw-dropping 200-megapixel main sensor for unbelievable detail. Then there's a 50-megapixel periscope lens with a true 10x optical zoom, bringing distant subjects closer with crystal-clear quality. A 48-megapixel ultra-wide will capture stunning landscapes, and a new 12-megapixel AI depth camera will create professional-looking portrait shots. But the hardware is only half the story. The new Galaxy Vision Pro AI will optimize every single shot you take, analyzing scenes in real time to adjust color, lighting, and focus. And for all you selfie lovers, the front camera gets a huge upgrade to 50 megapixels, ensuring your shots are flawless every time with real-time skin tone and background adjustments. The performance specs don't stop there. The S26 Ultra will be an absolute powerhouse, configurable with up to 16 gigabytes of RAM and a mind-boggling 2 terabytes of internal storage. Say goodbye to deleting photos and apps forever. To keep all this power from overheating, Samsung is also introducing a brand new vapor cooling system, so you can push the phone to its limits without it breaking a sweat. It will run on the new One UI 8.5, based on Android 16, which promises even smoother animations, deeper AI integration throughout the system, and enhanced privacy features to keep your data secure. But here are the two craziest rumors that could make the S26 Ultra a legend. First, Samsung might debut its very own generative AI, tentatively called Galaxy GPT. Imagine an AI assistant built right into your phone that's powerful enough to compete with ChatGPT and Gemini, ready to help you write, code, or plan your day. Second, there are whispers of a special transparent Edge Light edition. This version would feature edges that can glow and pulse with your music or notifications, creating a stunning visual effect that's unlike anything we've ever seen on a phone. And for the grand finale, Samsung might have a special gift for early adopters. Rumor has it that an exclusive Galaxy AI ring could be bundled